Hi, I'm Chen Amit. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Tipalti here in the Collaborative Economy Conference. Well, collaborative economy companies face challenges in the payment space. They have several sets of challenges. It starts with just managing the workflow of payments, knowing who you paid, when you paid, what succeeded, what failed, what you can communicate to your payees. That's the first level of challenges. The second level, which is a little bit more complex, is that while payments in the US are simple, you have ACH, you have PayPal, you have good payment methods. When you go globally, different payment methods work better in different geographies. So wire transfers, local bank transfers, prepaid debit card, Western Union, MoneyGram, Skrill, other e-wallets, PayPal of course. And for a typical Tipalti customer, supporting all these payment methods is just unrealistic, and they won't be able to do that. By not doing that, they have to give up some of their market and some of their pays. Then you have to comply with the IRS requirements, collecting W-9s, W-8s, 1099s, all that good stuff. And then complying with the Patriot Act, making sure that you're not paying any bad actors. And on. There are additional complexities that our customers have to face and the players in the shared economy have to play. And these are fairly complex challenges that they face. Companies pay their suppliers and partners before working with Tipalti in some way or fashion that they could live with. Some mediocre, subpar solution that they found. It usually would be PayPal and paper checks, or PayPal and maybe wires, and they would usually put some threshold and say, you know, we pay wires above $5,000 of a value of a transaction, $10,000 just because of the complexity of issuing wires. And they do that because it is complex. It is complex to embed so many payment methods and deal with all of the regulations, local and global, and all the complexities that we solve. It's unrealistic to expect our customers to deal with them without us. But given the frictionless nature of Tipalti, if you just have the sense of the pain that we described, if you have even 10% of your pays coming from outside of the US, you're likely already in pain, and Tipalti can solve all of that pain in a very frictionless way, as we said before. We've been serving the shared economy from our first day. We started about 4.5 years ago, and today, 4.5 years later, we process about $1.5 billion in an annual run rate, serving about 300,000 payees all over the world, almost every currency, any country, any payment method that is required in those domiciles, and growing very strong. Among our customers, you can find Chartboost, Tapjoy, Touch of Modern, Trada, Boost, GoDaddy, other companies of that caliber, and great customers.